Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 4 where we will continue discussing questions from the NCERT Exemplar Problems book on the unit number 4, linear equations in one variable. Students, in our previous sessions we have completed up to the question number 65, which include MCQ, fill in the blank, true or false, and some of the short answer type. So, continuing further from the question number 66, here to solve this question we need to remove the bracket. Here, while removing the bracket, what we need to remember, when negative sign removes the bracket, then actually nothing, we multiply all the terms inside the bracket with this minus sign, actually, which means minus 1. So, minus 1 multiplies to all the terms present inside. For example, minus of x minus 2, where we have got this, is nothing but minus 1 into x minus x minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. So, when negative sign removes the bracket, terms inside the bracket will have change in their sign. If there is a plus sign in front of the term, that will become minus sign. If there is a minus sign in front of the term, it becomes plus sign. So, that is how we get this simplification as minus x plus 2. So, with this previous knowledge, we will go ahead. So, 1 minus, after removing the bracket, it becomes minus x plus 2, and later here minus of 2 brackets are there, priority is to be given inside. So, minus of, so I am keeping the bigger bracket as it is, that we call square bracket as it is. Now, inside the square bracket we have got x minus 3, and this minus removes the bracket, minus x, and minus of minus becomes plus 1. So, equal to 0. Here right hand side we have got 0. So, all simplification is done in left hand side. Now, further 1 minus x plus 2. Now, this minus of inside the bracket, is there any chance of simplification? Yes, there is chance. X minus x, they both get cancelled. X minus x becomes 0. So, we will not have any term containing x inside the bracket. Now, this minus 3 and plus 1 are like terms on simplification. Minus 3 plus 1 gives you minus 2. That comes only within this bracket, equal to 0. Now, 1 minus x plus 2, this removes the bracket. Now, minus of minus 2 gives you plus 2 equal to 0. Now, here the like terms are 1 plus 2 plus 2, whose simplification is 5 minus x equal to 0. Now, I will transpose this minus x to the right hand side, which becomes addend, which will add to 0. So, 0 plus x. So, 5 equals to 0 plus x, where 0 added to any number or any number added to 0 gives the same number. So, x plus 0 is x equal to 5. Thus, we say therefore, x equals to 5 is the solution. So, of this given equation. So, this is how we solve this question. Here new learnings for you will be 1. Removing the bracket with minus sign makes the sign of each term inside the bracket change. That is, if there is a plus sign will become minus sign, if there is minus sign will become plus sign. That is the first important learning. Now coming to the next question 67. See children, in this question very important thing is, whenever we have got a fraction and minus sign is kept parallel to that upon symbol, so this minus sign will be applicable to whole numerator. For example, here minus x minus 2 upon 3. What does it mean? It means minus of x minus 2 upon 3. That means now this minus sign removes the bracket, which means minus x plus 2 by 3. Okay. So, this is the important thing what you have to observe. So, to avoid the going wrong, whenever we have got minus sign parallel to this upon, put it entire thing within bracket. Now, you will have no chance of going wrong. Okay. So, here 4 minus x minus 1 by 2. So, put it this within complete bracket. Why? Because there are chances of children going wrong considering this. See, this is different and this is different. These two both are not equal. They both are not equal. This is read as minus x minus 2 whole upon 3. This is minus of x minus 2 by 2, sorry, x minus 2 by 3. This is what we are given here. So, don't get confused that these two being equal. They both are not equal. Okay. This tells whole minus applied to this entire subtrahend, but here this minus is only tells the nature of this variable x. X is negative. Okay. So, with this learning we will continue here. If once you put within bracket, now I will take LCM in left hand side, which is for 1 and 3 3. So, we will have here in left hand side this 1 in 3 for 3 times multiplied to this numerator. So, 9x minus of this 3 only once. So, this comes only for 1 time equals to, here also we will take in right hand side 4 as LCM. So, 1 in 4 4 times. So, 4 multiplied to 4 gives you 16 minus of this 4 in 4 only 1 time. So, this x minus 1 numerator won't be multiplied with any number, just it is multiplied if at all only by 1 time. So, 1. Now, continuing further, 9x minus of x minus 2 getting that bracket removed. So, minus x plus 2 upon 3 equals to 16. This minus of x minus 1 becomes bracket getting removed. So, minus x plus 1 by 4. Further, 9x minus x is 8x plus 2 by 3 equals to 16 plus 1, both are like terms, 17 minus x by 4. Now, we have cross multiplication. This 4 in right hand side, the denominator goes to left hand side and numerator. This 3 which is denominator in left hand side will comes and multiplies to the numerator in right hand side. So, next step will be 4 into 8x plus 2 equals to 3 into 17 minus x. Now, distributive property, we have 4 into 8, 32 x plus 4 into 2, 8 equals to 7 into 7, 3 into 17 is 51 minus 3 into x is 3x. I will solve here. So, 32x plus 8 equals to 51 minus 3x. This variable terms I will take in one side. So, 32x plus 3x equal to 51 as it is there, and this plus 8, if it comes the right hand side, it becomes subtrahend minus 8. So, 32 plus 3x is 35x, 51 minus 8 is, so we will have 43. So, x equal to, therefore 43 upon 35. So, becomes the solution. So, this is how we solve this question. Now, coming to the next 68th question, we have here 3t plus 5 upon 4 minus 1. So, best is to take LCM in left hand side. LCM is 4. So, 3t plus 5 minus 4, because 1 in 4 for 4 times, and that 4 multiplies this 1. So, gives you 4 ones are 4 equals to 4t minus 3 by 5. 3t plus 5 minus 4, plus 5 minus 4 are like terms, we will get 3t plus 1 upon 4 equals to 4t minus 3 upon 5. Now, cross multiplication, this 5 denominator in right hand side goes to numerator in left hand side, multiplies the numerator 3t plus 1. So, 5 into 3t plus 1 equal to this 4, which is denominator in left hand side, cross multiplied and goes to the numerator of the right hand side and multiplies it. So, 4 into 40 minus 3. Now, we will multiply by using distributive property. 5 3t multiplied gives you 15t plus 5 ones are 5 equals to 4 into 4 16t minus 4 threes are 12. So, 15t is taken this side, right hand side. So, 16t minus 15t minus 12 taken the other side, it becomes plus 12. So, 17 equals to 16t minus 15t gives you t. So, this is the solution. Now, coming to the question number 69. See children, here same minus is kept parallel to this upon, always keep within bracket this. Now, we will have subtrahend being 2y minus 3 by 4, sorry, minuend it is, subtrahend is 3y minus 5 by 2, in left hand side LCM is 4. So, 4 and 2's LCM is 4, 2y minus 3 comes as it is, because 4 in 4 ones, so multiplied that numerator gives by 1 as it is the same one, minus this 2 in this 4 for twice. So, now this numerator 3y minus 5 is multiplied by 2. So, I will take minus 2 times of this 3y minus 5. So, here minus 1 won't be multiplied, instead it will be multiplied, 3y minus 5 will be multiplied by minus 2, which is this 2 comes here. equal to right hand side also I am taking again LCM where y upon 1. So, for 1 and 4, 4 is the LCM. So, 4 multiplies to this variable y gives you 4y plus this 3 multiplies 1 gives you 3. You know how that 4 and 1s comes? I am not explaining those basics. Now, we will have removing bracket in this left hand side numerator. So, 2y minus 3 minus 2 into 3y minus 6y minus 2 into minus 5 gives plus 10 upon 4 equals to 4y plus 3 by 4. Now, children, this 2y minus 6y is simplified, gives you minus 4y, minus 3 plus 10, they are like terms, their simplification is plus 7 upon this 4 whole upon 4 we have equals to 4y plus 3 whole upon 4. These 4 either are this 4 denominator in the right hand side, any one we will transfer. When we transfer the other side, suppose minus 4y, I am writing next term, positive sign plus 7, I will write first. So, 7 minus 4y equal to 4y plus 3 upon 4. Here this denominator 4, if it comes here, it comes to the numerator. Now, you watch 4 by 4 get cancels, 4 ones are 4 ones are. So, 1 is only left over. So, now 1 into anything is same. So, 7 minus 4y equals to 4y plus 3. So, now it is easy to simplify. Minus 4y variable terms I am taking to the one side, that is to right hand side I will take minus 4y. This numericals are constants, I will take one side, that is all the constants in left hand side. So, 7 minus 3, because here plus 3 when it is transposed becomes minus 3 equals to 4y. This minus 4 when it is transposed it comes to right hand side and becomes plus. So, 7 minus 3 is 4 equal to 4y plus 4y is 8y. Now, 8 is multiplied to variable y, therefore, y equals to 4 upon 8 when it is transposed the other side, that implies therefore, y equals to 1 by 2 or half is the solution. Now, coming to the question number 70. Question number 70, see children, it is easy. 0.25 is multiplied over the difference of 4x and 5. So, by distributive property we will do it. So, 0.25 into 4 is 1x minus 0.25 into 5 is 1.25 equals to 0.75x plus 8. Now, all the constant terms one side, all the variable terms are other side. So, 1x minus 0.75x equals to 8 plus 1.25. See, 1x minus 0.75x, if your y is 1 minus 0.75, it is easy because I will consider 1 rupee minus 75 paise. 1 rupee minus 75 paise gives me 25 paise. Paises are written as points, 0.25. So, 0.25 x equals to 8 plus 1.25, it is also 9 rupees 25 paise. Now, this 0.25 is multiplied to x. So, when it is transposed, it divides the right hand side 9.25. So 9.25 upon 0.25, you simplify it, you will get it as 37. You know how to solve it, these decimals and all you learnt in your earlier classes. So 37 becomes the x equals to 37 becomes the solution. Okay. So students, with this I have completed 5 questions today from this exemplar problems. Rest of the questions I will continue in our next session number 5. So till then, all of you take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.